Hello, I'm James Preston and welcome to the Morning Outlook exclusive to Kalkine TV, providing you with all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. The ASX is expected to open lower on Thursday after a difficult session on Wall Street. According to the latest SPI futures, the ASX 200 is likely to open 45 points or 0.6% lower. Despite Wall Street's struggles yesterday, it was another strong session for the ASX on Wednesday, with almost all sectors sitting in the green. The best performing sector was information technology, up 3.5%, and the worst performing sector was materials, down by 0.4%. The best performing stock in the S&P ASX 200 was Unity Group, closing 10.7% higher at $4.67 a share. It was followed by shares in Imugene and PointsBet Holdings. As for the worst performing stock, that was Fisher & Paykel Healthcare, closing 7.9% lower at $23.73, and it was followed by shares in Champion Iron and also ResMed. Yesterday, Federal Labor leader Anthony Albanese announced plans for 340,000 new jobs if his government were to be successful at the upcoming election. Early polling has Labor claiming the May election. Elsewhere, Tesla CEO Elon Musk was celebrating following the opening of a car manufacturing plant in Germany. Tesla's manufacturing now spans across the globe following the opening of a plant near Berlin. Tesla shares rose for a sixth consecutive day, surging as much as 6.8% to $984 a share and pushing the company's market capitalisation back above the $1 trillion US mark. As for the US market, Wall Street experienced a tough Wednesday. The Dow Jones fell by 1.29%. The S&P 500 declined by 1.23% and the Nasdaq ended 1.32% lower. European markets also struggled. London's FTSE 100 dipped by 0.22%. The French CAC 40 fell by 1.17%. The German DAX dropped by 1.31%. And the Stock 600 also fell by 1.01%. Asian markets bucked the trend though, enjoying a positive day. China's Shanghai Composite rose by 0.34%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng surged about 1.21%, Korea's Kospi rose 0.92%, and Japan's Nikkei was the strongest performer, rising by 3%. Alright, time now for a quick break before we take a look at the Aussie dollar, oil, and the world of crypto. Hi there, James Preston for Kalkine TV. Are you into gaming and virtual reality? Does AI and the endless possibilities it entails capture your interest? Or are you constantly trawling through the web to try and discover the latest updates and innovations in the tech space? Well, let us do the work for you. From the latest product launches to shocking affairs on the World Wide Web, exclusive interviews and information about the top companies like Apple and Google to brand new tech startups vying for your attention. Kalkine's Tech Beat has the latest in what matters in the world of technology. Join me every single Thursday on the Tech Beat, exclusive to Kalkine TV. Welcome back to the Morning Outlook on Kalkine TV, where we give you all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. The Aussie dollar has seen further incremental gains in the past 24 hours, rising by 0.003% and is now closing in on 75 US cents. After starting the week at 73.99 US cents, one Aussie dollar is now buying 74.974 US cents. Oil prices jumped 5% to over 121 US dollars a barrel on Wednesday as disruptions to Russian and Kazakh crude exports via the Caspian Pipeline Consortium added to worries surrounding tight global supplies. Brent crude futures settled up $6.12 or 5.3% to 121 US dollars and 60 cents. WTI crude futures also rose by $5.66 or 5.2% to $114.93 a barrel. Gold also experienced a surge as investors look to shield themselves against soaring inflation and uncertainty caused by the events in Ukraine, with elevated US bond yields capping gains in non-interest-bearing metals. As a result, spot gold added 1.3% to trade at $1,946 US dollars and 44 cents an ounce. And lastly, the past 24 hours has been a period of stability for the crypto market. At the time of writing, Bitcoin experienced a marginal dip of 0.45%, remaining above 42,400 US, and Ethereum was largely flat with a 0.01% gain, remaining just above $3,000 per token. In the past 24 hours, the global crypto market cap has increased by 0.16% and is worth approximately $1.93 trillion US dollars. Well, that's all for this edition of the Morning Outlook. Have a great day trading. Make sure to keep it locked on Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. I'm James Preston, reporting for Kalkine.